about to enter a small little harbour called Oeselie. It's only accessible on the high tide, or mid to high tide. And we enter through a small little channel. It's partially blocked by agar farms. The locals put buoys across the entrance and agar lines and floats. And there's a small little track. You have to go in between two little buoys and then follow this deeper channel around to the left. And once you go around the corner, it opens up into a lagoon or a harbour, and then it drops down to about 8 to 10 metres across the whole lagoon. And it's very secure lagoon. Even in it's on the southern side of the island, but even in the southeast trades, it's still very protected. And it's a lovely little spot.
What is she doing?
Ouch. Here we go. Oops, that didn't really work. So I'm gonna go around the cliff. It's beautiful cliff here. As you can see behind me, there's some beautiful rocks. I'm using the rod just for exercise a little bit because having the sea is really alright. I'm not the best at rowing. I can just turn off the engine, but just not to exercise. We're in this beautiful lagoon for almost 2 weeks now. The water is getting clearer and getting shallower, and I don't really want to go too close because there's so many monkeys, and then I'm a bit scared if they're just gonna jump on the dinghy with me. Just going for hiking. That leaf up there makes a bit funny noise. Dora the Explorer about to enter the gate. We don't even know where we're going to, but let's have a look what's up here. There's some caves. Do you know where we're going today? Might meet some snakes or a monkey, goats. There were a few monkeys yesterday there. Oh, I don't know where it's going to lead us. checking out.